Today we're going to discuss the mailbox portion of Utiliko. We strongly believe that this will make all of our users a lot more efficient, and that is why we built it right into Utiliko. So let's get into it and find out why this is such a better tool than your typical mailbox. First of all, you can see that all of your emails are in the platform, which eliminates the need to have to go through a third-party client to check your emails. This works with any of your email provider, including Office 365, Rackspace, or any other email server that you use. You'll just simply go to your configuration tool, you will configure all of your emails in here, and they automatically will load up here. So if you click on Compose, you'll notice that we have a few bells and whistles in here that will be extremely helpful. The first thing is, if you start typing it in an email, it will find that person within the client base of Utiliko, and you get a quick summary of that person if they have all their information filled in within Utiliko. So that's one. And then the second most important piece of information is your relation. So if I go ahead and relate this to a specific project, for example this one, now the email content of this is automatically saved under that project. So if in the future the client says, well, I never received that email, instead of me having to search my inbox, I just simply go to that project, open up the project, and I'll go to the mailbox summary of the project, and I can see the email there. So it brings all of the communication in a single central place. I don't have to search anymore. I just go to the project, the information is already there for me. I can compose an email and send it out now. It's automatically tagged. I can see who I'm sending it to, or I could schedule it. So here I could just go ahead and type in an email, test email, and if I select schedule email, I could schedule it for any time in the future. So this becomes very helpful. So if I hit schedule send, it will automatically schedule that email, and it will be sitting here under my scheduled emails. Another very helpful functionality is the follow-up, and more importantly, automatic follow-up. So if I select the follow-up in here, I can say within 3 days, if I don't hear from this user, then automatically send them a reminder on an email, and I can choose a template to send them to. I could type up an email that will go out to them, and that email will automatically go out. Notice by default, the cancel when someone replies is checked. So if that user responds to your email, then the follow-up will automatically get canceled and it will not go out. This is obviously very helpful, because if you're sending an email to someone and they say, well, remind me in 3 days, then you could automatically set up the reminder now and you will never forget about it. And by the way, if it's related to that specific task, then it will automatically stay related, even the follow-ups. Another thing is templates. So you can actually save templates, you could choose existing templates, etc. So if we go ahead and just save this template and say test template, now this will automatically allow us to create that, to choose that anytime in the future. So if I exit out here and go to compose and I just go to my templates and choose it, it automatically pre-populates everything that I had typed in the body of the email. So this is why we think it's extremely important to bring Inbox into Utiliko. We added these really nice widgets to make it easier and simpler for you to stay on top of your task without having to waste time searching or remembering to send out emails. And the last thing, if you go to your sent box, notice that anything that is sent from your Utiliko box will have your familiar look of the checkboxes. So a single green check mark means it was delivered, and a second green check mark will indicate that that message has been read. So you could see like these emails have not been read, but if there were, you would show 2 green check marks, and it will show you how many times that email had been opened. We hope that you find this functionality very useful and you continue to use it. Let us know if you have any feedback.